Hello everyone, today we will have a look at this multi-function sterilizer from Kmart, branded Anko. It says here multi-function sterilizer, but on the back it says phone sterilizer. So what we have here, two tactile buttons, sterilize and incense, and the LEDs 25% till 100%, and that's it. Here we have USB type A and micro USB. Nothing on the other sides. Warning, because this is UV light, which is harmful for eye and skin. Inside we have a micro USB cable, and as you can see here we have UV light source on both sides. One here and one here, and we have something here. I think this is supposed to be for this button. I am not sure. So how does it work? You put your phone here, close it, turn it on, and the UV light will kill any germs that are in the phone. But of course UV light will damage any plastic, including the device itself, because it's white plastic. All this is gonna be yellowed within time. This has never been used, so it's good. It looks good. So let's turn it on and see how it works. We got a USB here. I don't have the manual, so I don't know what this is for. I think maybe, I don't know.
Welcome to use the multifunctional sterilizing machine.
Yeah, and it's gonna talk. We have a speaker here. So now what? Sterilize.
Disinfection starts. Disinfection in progress. Disinfection in progress. Aromatherapy in progress. Off. Aromatherapy in progress. Off. Disinfection in progress. Aromatherapy in progress.
Yeah, so that's it.
Disinfection in progress.
Let's take a peek. What to see?
Off. Aromatherapy. Off. Disinfection in progress.
Let's see. Let me switch the lights off and see if we can see the ultraviolet light. Okay, it's total darkness right now. You can see just the LED. It's on.
Disinfection in progress.
Let's open it and you see. I don't see any light emitted, so I don't know what's going on.
Aromatherapy in progress.
Not sure if it works or not.
Disinfection off.
So let's take it apart and see what's inside. I believe we have screws under these feet. Yep, we have screw. We have 6 screws in total. Okay. So this is the speaker, and we have a coil of some sort here. That's for the aromatherapy. I think it's just heat. These are the light sources. This is the light bulb for the UV light. And this is the circuit board. That's the other light here. These are the buttons. The LEDs. And that's everything. I wonder which chip is responsible for the sound. Probably this one or this one. Yeah, it's very simple. It was expected. I thought there will be a blob for the audio, but it's a proper circuit. Proper integrated circuit. Yeah, let's put it back together, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.